Hello, welcome. I'm Shou. Today I'm going to show you how I clean my painting mat. This painting mat I have been introduced in my Chinese brush painting for beginners 1. All the tools you have to know. Look, this is a spot where have a green paint on it. And this paint is a fresh paint, so I just use a paper towel. Damp, gently press down. So damp it, the color will be lifted off. This is how you clean the fresh paint, and it's very easy. I damped the paper towel a couple times, and it just lifts all the green paint away. And look, this is old paint. It's kind of like dark red color, and it's dried out. I have no idea how long it have been there. And I'm going to use the paper towel to damp it, and obviously the color won't come out because it's already dried. Now I'm going to use some fresh water, clean water, to moisturize it. I hope I can wash this color off. I used paper towel, damp it again. The color didn't come off. Now I feel like, and this paint is really hard. Now I'm going to use oil paint brush, which is the hair is super hard. I'm going to rub it on the paint and try to wash it off this way. Now you can see there's some red color coming off, and I rub again. More red color coming off, and at the same time there's some fabric coming off too because the brush is really hard. Now let's look at another paint. This paint is old paint too, and I'm used the same method. Use the clean water, try to wash it off. And do not use the paper towel, rub it on, because all the material from paper towel will drop off and it won't work. Now I use some clean water, wash it off, and now you can see all the blue is coming off. But remember, don't wash this painting mat in the washing machine, because after you wash it, the mat is not going to be flat anymore. Even you iron it, it just won't go back. And this mat I have been used for 4 or 5 years. So if you clean it like this way, and that will be good enough. And there's some hair coming off again, and I'm just take away. And I would say the blue is almost gone, and if you can get it clean as this, that will be good enough. There's no blue coming off anymore. And there's another one. Use the same way to wash it off. Just repeat the process until there's no more color coming off anymore. There's another one. It's a brown color. Now I just washed off. Okay, take some fabric off, the folding fabric, and flat it out. That's good to go. Thank you for watching.